emotions. You think that you're rapping, but I'ma be the one that's busting them caps. And actually the graffiti writers are liking everything that I spit, cause you know I'm like lightning, excited. While your little rigid ass ain't even gonna come with lyrics fast, I crash. You like I was throwing out some old things that I didn't need, cause I know I bring skills that you don't have. You try to rap, but that's actually why I wrote this epitaph, because you're dead now. Try to come round, but I don't really care, because the underground is my style and I don't care why. I'm about to kill this cat, check this shit out. I'm sitting.
Watch it.
Yo. I'm spitting on my lyrics and it's coming off the brain, but if you let me get this down, you know when it's off the chain. Yo, this dude's such a pussy, you get slow to the drink, but this dude's